Hello and welcome back to the podcast. Today's episode is all about simple ingredients, fire, and a bit of patience. Lynn and I are in our outdoor kitchen, preparing a carrot soup that's as much about the process as it is about the flavor. We start with the basics, raw carrots, chopped into 1-inch pieces. Nothing fancy, just rustic chunks. Alongside them, we've got chopped parsnips and a few cloves of garlic. All of that goes into a Dutch oven with a drizzle of oil. Then comes the magic. We slide the pot into the wood-fired oven. The heat transforms those vegetables, roasting them until they're sweet and golden. And just when they're starting to caramelize, we add a red onion. We let it cook until it's charred, smoky, and full of character. That's the flavor base we're building. We like to let those roasted vegetables rest overnight to build the flavor, but you don't have to, just let them cool before the next stage. Once the vegetables have cooled, bring in the fresh ginger. It adds a zing, a brightness that cuts through the sweetness of the carrots. Then we add 2 whole oranges, peeled and cut into chunks. That citrus note lifts everything, giving the soup a fresh, vibrant edge. Finally, we pour in some stock and blend it all together with a handheld blender. At this stage we add some cayenne pepper as we like a bit of spice to our soup, but it's up to you. Season your soup to your own tastes. Now simmer it slowly over a low heat. Once fully warmed through, there you have it, a silky, golden soup with layers of roasted depth, ginger warmth, and citrus sparkle. We let the soup cool and freeze it in portions to use when we want it. We take it on our walks as a tasty and hearty winter warmer. Of course, we never cook just one thing. While the carrot soup is roasting away, there's always something else bubbling or baking. A rich bolognese served with homemade bread, a hearty chicken stew, and a slow-cooked pork stew all share the fire. It's the way we cook, layering flavors, filling the oven, and making sure there's plenty to enjoy and share. Thanks for joining us today. If you try this recipe, let us know how it turns out. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and enjoy the process. It's a soup that tastes of fire, patience, and a little bit of playfulness. Perfect for sharing on a chilly evening. And the best part? It's simple, but it feels special. Just carrots, parsnips, garlic, onion, ginger, oranges, and stock, transformed by time and flame. Thanks for joining us today. If you try this recipe, let us know how it turns out. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and enjoy the process.